For those of us that are not artistic, this might be an easier way of representing the same idea as what a parse tree is. Given a grammar, given a target syntax, how do we break that target syntax into, well, frankly, the grammar and vice versa? Now, we did parse trees before this, so we were drawing things out. This time, this is using, well, frankly, sentences. And what we're doing is we're slowly showing how we can break down the sentence into our target syntax that we're after. So again, we're trying to match it with the target syntax, not trying to break it. But this time we're doing it one at a time, or one substitution at a time. Now, if you can believe this, there actually is an order of substitution that we're supposed to do, and we'll call that a derivation order, which I'll go over here in a second, so bear with me here. But what's happening here is, again, there's a grammar, I'm not going to go over that. Target syntax, not going to go over that. I'm going to go over, well, the breakdown or the derivation. Notice again that we're going to start off with our first item that is in the grammar as our starting symbol to start getting things close to our target syntax. Now, you're going to know there's going to be some terminal items, non-terminal items, and a nice mix of that. What we're going to do is we're going to slowly convert those non-terminal items into something further down in the tree that'll help us, or further down the grammar, I should say, no tree on this one, towards the target syntax. So again, we're trying to aim for the target syntax. So notice I have begin, which is already done, statement, list, and end. I'm going to go to statement, that's really my next thing here in the grammar to match here, in order to get, well, a statement, colon, and statement list. That is my whole replacement, because I'm trying to find, oh, there's the colon taken care of, or semicolon I should say, and we're going to do some other things with it. Notice that each time I write a sentence here, and it's being highlighted by the orange things here, I'm only, in this case, replacing the leftmost non-terminal symbol. Now that's called a leftmost derivation, but I'll go over that here in a second. But notice all I'm doing is replacing one at a time, the leftmost one at each sentence here, to try to get it to match my target sentence that we have been given. That's what a derivation is a slow, typed out response to how we can use the grammar to get to our target syntax.